Are you tired of juggling multiple tabs in your Excel spreadsheet, only to end up with a cluttered and disorganized mess? Do you find yourself constantly updating formulas and data ranges just to keep track of changing data? By the end of this video, you'll be able to harness the power of Excel tables to streamline your workflow and boost productivity. Excel tables are a game changer for any Excel user, offering advanced features that simplify data management and analysis. With tables, you can easily manipulate and organize your data without having to deal with the complexities of traditional Excel ranges. Let's dive into the world of tables and explore how to use them like a pro. To create a table in Excel, you can use the Insert Table feature. To access this, go to the Insert tab in the ribbon, click on Table, and then select Table from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+T to insert a table directly. Now, let's talk about why you should always use Excel tables.